Nobody? It's the Prime shipment.
Yo, and welcome back to the channel. So, it was Amazon Prime Day, and I made a few purchases. Some of them are for the house, some of them are for the vlog. So let's get into it and have a look. So, big one first. I think I know what's in the big one. Alright, got the knife. Okay, here we go. Not one, but two retractable baby gates. So we've got a couple baby gates around the house, and they're the big metal kind that are hinged to the wall, and well, they just get in the way, and they're a big pita. So these guys here are hopefully going to take over for those big metal ones that are in the way, and I'm not going to smash into them. They're not going to ruin the walls of the house, and hopefully this is a great solution here. So there we go, Amazon Prime Day purchase for the house. Two retractable baby gates. Alright, so this is the box that I want to get into because there is some stuff for the vlog in here. So let's have a look. Alright, so I always talk about batteries on the channel here, so if you haven't seen some of those videos, I'll link them up here, but I've unboxed battery stuff before. And the reason that I purchased this guy here is this is a battery charger, but it's a USB charger. And the reason these are like gold is if you have a portable battery and you want to charge these batteries with your portable battery, well, the good news is you can, because it's USB. That's the best part about this. So here's your battery, pop her in there, that gets hooked up to a USB charger, and away you go. Such a great idea. Oh look, they even give you a cable. So you got your dock, you got your two batteries, you're golden. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. So I've been shipping a lot of stuff out on eBay, and I've been using Canada Post online, and I've just been kind of guessing the weight, and I'm like, okay, well, I guess high. And I throw it on there, get a price, put it in the mailbox, and away we go. I haven't had any problems yet, but I figured it was a good idea to get a postal scale, so I've got a kitchen and postal scale. If I ever go on a diet and I need to weigh my food, I've got a kitchen scale to do that now too. Alright. Any other cool vlog stuff? Yes, there is. Okay, so it seems that everybody includes like a little cleaning pad with their stuff. This, this is for my SD cards. So I have SD cards floating around all over the place, and my daughter likes to get into my desk and poke around that stuff. And well, I hope she hasn't eaten one yet, but hopefully she doesn't. This is going to keep them safe, put away, closed up, locked up, and then boom, I have them all in one spot. Cool little carrying handle too. So this, if you can see here, you put your micro SD inside, and then you can put a full-size SD on the outside. I don't know, does anybody use full-size SD cards anymore? Because basically in this camera right now, I have a micro SD card in a full SD card adapter. Anyway, either way, I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of both size cards inside here. So great little case. That was a good purchase here. So cool little vlog upgrade. Okay, so really not that great for you guys, but well, you're gonna see some of it when I bike. But this is a Kurt taillight converter. So basically, if I tow a little trailer behind the car, I want to obviously be safe and power the lights. So this is going to help me adapt my current taillight system to a trailer plug so that I can plug in the lights. House one. And aha! This is a vlog one. This guy here is basically an egg timer. But what it's for is it's to get time lapses, but a panoramic type time lapse. So on the end here is your camera mount. You put your camera on it. You basically turn it like you would an egg timer. Okay, and it's gonna slowly turn your camera. So if you want to get some really cool time lapses, this was like Prime Day special. I think it was 12 bucks. Put your camera on here, pop it where you want to with lots of movement going around, and get yourself an amazing time lapse with this little guy here. Your time lapse monitor, your panoramic time lapse turner, your egg timer, your cool ass time lapse magic turner thing. All right, anyway, that is pretty cool. And last but not least, these things are absolutely amazing. Life straws. 1, 2, 3. Me and my wife have one. It's in our camping equipment. We haven't really actually had to use them because we usually bring enough water with us. But anyway, we've got the 3 kids now too, so one for each of the kids, one for mom, one for dad, and when we go camping, we're all set if we need fresh water with our life straws. So definitely, these were Prime Day special. I think they're regular like $24.99 and they were on sale, I don't know, $14.99. Good deal. So picked up another 3 of them for the kids. So everybody's got a life straw when we go camping now. Awesome. So looks like that's it for my Prime Day. I wouldn't call it a haul, but definitely got a lot of great stuff here. So you saw there the life straws. We've got the kitchen scale, well, postal scale. That's what I'll be using it for, my postal stuff. The taillight adapter, get the trailer being nice and safe on the car. This here to hold the SD cards. I don't think it's waterproof. It's water resistant. There's definitely a silicone seal there and a lock. This is awesome. Out of all of this crap, this is probably one of the things I like the most. The egg timer for your panoramic time lapses. This thing's cool. It has a bell in it. It's probably gonna ding at me soon. That's an empty box from the egg timer. We don't need that. This everybody should have. This is a USB charger for my Nikon 5200 battery. Pop it in there and it's going to charge via USB. So really cool. Okay guys, that's all I got for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this or follow me on my daily life and my vlogs and my tutorials, hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, push that subscribe button, click that subscribe button, tap that subscribe button. Do whatever you gotta do, but definitely subscribe. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.